guys, back with another interesting video on Welcome to Business Topics. If you're worried about being able to save enough of your earnings to meet your retirement goals, building wealth through passive income is a strategy that might appeal to you. Passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. By committing yourself with the passive income, you can generate some decent earning and also create some additional financial security for yourself along the way. There are several passive income generating ideas. To begin with, investing in stocks, starting a podcast, selling digital products online, affiliate marketing, etc. Stocks investing is one of the simplest ways for investors to create passive income. Do require some analytical background, but surely boost up the revenue. Without a doubt, podcasting can be great for your business growth and personal brand as it generates more income with less work and time load. Digital products can't be held, tasted, or touched, but everyone consumes them, from music to videos, ebooks to online courses, and more. They can be a great asset in generating passive income. Affiliate marketing is possibly one of the easiest forms of passive income to get set up with. With their increasing demand, they would surely have a positive impact on your earnings. I hope you guys find this video informative and useful. We will discuss these topics in detail in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.